Hello, it's been a while. This is Chris, and I'm at Chris's garage working on the A100. Ran into a bit of a problem here. I wanted to put a new tank in, so I did order a tank. I actually ordered new brackets too, but they unfortunately don't come with the fasteners to bolt the tank in. So as you can see here, I don't know how good that looks, but it's broken off. This sits up in the back of the tank, two of them down with bolts to hold the brackets up holding the tank there. So of course you can't just go down to your local hardware store and order one. So I guess we're gonna have to make one. Alright, this is a pretty straightforward process. I just went down to the local hardware store and picked myself up a 6-inch carriage bolt. Every hardware store would have one of these. Now obviously it has a square piece on the end here. We're gonna have to grind that down so it's at least the same size as the bolt here, so we can slide it through where we need. And then the end here, we're going to have to grind that down to the size that it is on the original fastener, because if we don't do that, we're going to have a problem. I did grind one down not quite far enough, and then I got it in there and I couldn't get it back out with without much difficulty. So you definitely want to make sure you grind it all the way down to the actually 0.6 inch is what it needs to be. And let's go. Okay, you can see as I'm comparing these two together, they're the same size, or just maybe even a tiny little bit smaller, but that'll certainly fit in the hole and do the job we need. Next thing we gotta do is now we gotta bend it. Alright, you can see I already have the bolt here in the vise, so what we're gonna do is just apply a bit of heat to it and then give her a bit of a hammer and bend her over, and we should have what we need. And there it is. That's what we need to have, be able to get that tank bracket back in. And just like in the baking shows, I already got one done here, so that's what it's going to look like when we're done. That'll fit in just like the original. Bolt her in, shouldn't have any more problems. Well, thanks for watching Chris's Garage, and I hope to see you again soon. Have a great day.